Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix age restriction on Tinder. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your mobile device, don't worry because I'm just going to show you the steps on how to fix this problem, okay? So now there are two different ways to fix this problem. Okay, so the first one, you need to prepare your IDs. I think you are wondering why you need your IDs, okay? Because first of all, in order for Tinder support to verify your age, they need to see your ID, okay? And now once they thoroughly checked your ID and verify that you are above 18 years old, they should provide you with assistance to fix this problem, okay? Then after that, you can now proceed on signing in your account, okay? So that is the first method to fix this problem. So the second one is update your age on your Facebook account, okay? So these methods only apply when you create your Tinder account using your Facebook, okay? So what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your Facebook account and update your age on your account. Okay, and then after that, Tinder will verify that you are now above 18 years old, and now you can just go ahead and use Tinder on your mobile device. Okay, so these are the two methods to fix age restriction on Tinder. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.